Who makes more, plumber or software engineer? The plumber starts at 18 as an apprentice, earning about $35,000 per year with no student debt. The software engineer spends 4 years in college and graduates at 22 with around $40,000 in student loans. At 22, the engineer starts earning $85,000 per year. By 25, the plumber becomes licensed, earning around $75,000 annually. By their late 20s, the engineer switches jobs and earns about $130,000 per year. Meanwhile, the plumber gains experience and starts taking private jobs, pushing income closer to $100,000 per year. In their 30s, the engineer reaches senior level, averaging $160,000 annually. At the same time, the plumber opens a small business, earning between $120,000 and $150,000 per year. Over 40 years, the software engineer earns roughly $6 million total while still working. Over that same time, the plumber earns around $6.5 million while being retired. The plumber wins with an extra $500,000. So next time, tell your parents if you can be a plumber instead.